Welcome, aviation enthusiasts. If you enjoy our content, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe to support us. Now, brace yourself for an incredible journey through the evolution of aviation, from its inception to modern marvels. Next, we delve into the world of early aviation pioneers. Stay tuned. Did you know that a commercial jet flies at an average speed of 550 miles per hour? That's faster than the speed of a bullet fired from an average handgun. Incredible, isn't it? This is just one of the many fascinating aspects of the world of airplanes. Our story begins in the late 18th century with the Montgolfier brothers in France. These ingenious siblings were not just paper manufacturers, they were also aviation pioneers. In 1783, they constructed the first practical hot air balloon, marking the dawn of human flight. Fast forward to the late 19th century, and we meet Sir George Cayley, the English engineer who is often referred to as the father of aerial navigation. Cayley made significant strides in the field of aviation, including designing the first successful glider to carry a human being aloft. But it wasn't until the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, took to the skies in 1903 that powered, sustained and controlled flight became a reality. Their invention, the Wright Flyer, was a biplane with a wingspan of 40 feet 4 inches. And it was the first aircraft to demonstrate that man could indeed fly. The journey of aviation doesn't stop there. From the first jet aircraft, the Heinkel He 178 in 1939, to the supersonic Concorde, which made its maiden flight in 1969, the pace of innovation in aviation has been nothing short of remarkable. And let's not forget the jumbo jet, the Boeing 747, which revolutionized long-haul travel when it was introduced in 1970. This iconic aircraft could carry more than 360 passengers, nearly twice as many as any other aircraft at the time. Fast forward to the present day, and we have the Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger airliner, and the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, an aircraft known for its fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. The history of airplanes is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. From the humble beginnings with hot air balloons and gliders, to the Wright brothers' groundbreaking flight, to the jet age and beyond, the story of aviation is one of constant innovation and evolution. As we marvel at the incredible achievements of aviation thus far, we must also turn our gaze to the future. The next frontier lies in space, with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin aiming to make space travel as common as air travel. SpaceX's Starship, designed for interplanetary travel, and Blue Origin's New Shepard, created for suborbital space tourism, are pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. These pioneers of the future are building upon the legacy of innovation we've seen throughout the history of aviation, taking us from the skies to the stars. In the realm of sustainability, companies like Evolution are developing electric aircrafts like the Alice, aiming to revolutionize the industry with zero-emission flights. The quest for greener aviation is not only about protecting the environment, but also about finding more efficient and cost-effective ways to travel. It's clear that the spirit of innovation that drove the Wright brothers and the aviation pioneers of the past is still very much alive today, pushing us towards a future that's as exciting as it is unknown. Stay tuned for our next scene, where we will dive deeper into the legacy of these innovations. To summarize, we've journeyed through the history of aviation, beginning with the Montgolfier brothers and their hot air balloon. We've seen the contributions of Sir George Cayley and the Wright brothers, and we've explored the jet age, including the introduction of the Concorde and the jumbo jet. Finally, we've landed in the present day with the Airbus A380 and the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. The history of airplanes is a rich and fascinating story, filled with remarkable achievements and groundbreaking innovations. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and a reminder of just how far we've come in our quest to conquer the skies.